Carrots are my go-to vegetable for when I'm really desperate for something green. I cook up some orange carrots. They're very versatile. They can be served raw in salads, they can be steamed, they can be roasted, and they can even be braised, of course. When you're buying carrots, look for bright colored carrots with smooth skin and a firm texture. And this is a very nicely formed carrot with nice long tops. And the tops should be attached when you buy them. That's buying organic, which we should all do if we can, as often as possible. And here I'm just cutting the carrot tops off, reserving a few of the carrot leaves for this dish, because they are a vegetable. The leaves are a vegetable as well as the root. And peel with one of these little hand peelers. You want one that doesn't take off too much of the peel, just enough. Takes that tougher outer skin off. And there, it's a very nice, clean carrot. And this recipe is called brown sugared carrots. So peel and halve lengthwise 1 to 1.5 pounds of carrots. Try to have them pretty much the same size. Ready to cook the carrots. In a large skillet, large enough to hold all of the carrots, heat 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and cook the carrots in that pan until they start to lose some of their moisture. Move them around, coat them with the oil. So now while you're sauteing, add a little bit of salt to your carrots. This does actually help pull the moisture out of the carrots and makes it easier once you add the sugar to caramelize those carrots. You can add a little bit of pepper too. Now again, by cooking, you really enhance the color of these carrots. They're a brighter orange than they were when you put them in the pan. While this is all going on, you could, at the same time, make your garnish of green carrot tops. These are very greatly enhanced if you fry them. So these are just pieces of the carrot top, and I have some grapeseed oil heating here in this pan. Oops! Watch out, it does splatter. Oh yeah, this does a very nice quick fry, and that'll be a pretty garnish. So I'll just add a bunch of these and stand away. They have a lot of moisture in them. And fry until a little bit crispy. So after about 3 minutes, add your sugar and molasses. That's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon of molasses. Whew. Very pretty. Look how they fry. And cooking them in something like a grapeseed oil is very good because that has a very high smoking point. Look how beautiful they look. And again, stir the carrots. Now, if you left this cooking without any additional moisture, you might get some burned carrots. So I would suggest adding a little bit of water. And keep cooking, watching until the carrots are tender. And you might add up to, about a cup of water if your carrots are large and tough. So now, while the carrots are cooking, add a sprig or 2 of fresh rosemary just into that thickening sauce. And they're starting to get a little tender. Watch the point of a knife, just starting to penetrate easily. When it goes through easily, you know that it's done. Now, before you turn these off, put a small piece of butter, about 1.5 tablespoons, into the pan. And now you can scoop these out onto a platter and garnish with your fried carrot tops. How unusual and how beautiful. A delicious and slightly unusual way to serve carrots. Your family's going to adore them.